Morning, guys.
Good morning.
We are coming to you live from the 23rd floor of our Airbnb building.
Day 2 in Hawaii.
We're about to head out. We were gonna go get some Reef Safe sunblock because we forgot to bring it. And then we're gonna go pick up a couple of tag-alongs that came with us on this trip. And then you will see where we are headed. So we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
I can fly.
Hey guys.
You're in the video now too.
I don't consent.
Bad for you.
It's true, you don't actually need consent from people.
So we just came to pick up our tag-alongs, and literally as I parked, got the text saying that our dive trip has been canceled due to weather conditions. So we're gonna head out to Lanikai Beach and just enjoy diving on our own there. So see you there. Wow. It's so cool. We made it to Lanikai Beach, and it is just as beautiful as people say that it is. We're having some fun swimming.
The water is so warm.
It's perfect.
It's cold when we first get in, but once you get in, it's nice and warm.
But it's not hot, so that way when you get out into the warm weather, it will fine.
Yeah. After a couple of hours hanging out at Lanikai Beach, we started to get hungry. We decided to head over to a restaurant that Vanessa found on Yelp that had really good reviews.
Hey guys, so we are done at Lanikai Beach. It was awesome, and now we are hungry, so we came to another hole-in-the-wall spot called OAHU'S Steak and shrimp, and their food looks amazing. They have 4.5 stars, over 1,000 reviews on Yelp. So let's see how good they are.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it gets any more local than this.
It looks, and the pictures of the food look so good.
Yep.
So, and yeah, we are in a very local area. The steak and garlic shrimp plates. I'm sorry?
With potato macaroni salad or fruit salad on your plate?
Potato mac.
For both of them?
Yes. And then one order of the coconut shrimp. Just side order? Yeah. And then one of the ahi tacos. This one side taco? Yeah. I think this is the best coconut shrimp
Wow, it's
I've ever
really good.
had.
I've never had an ahi taco, but
Jeez, there's a lot of stuff in here.
I would recommend just tipping it and not picking it up.
Honestly, I think I recommend trying to eat it with a fork for a minute.
How the hell are you supposed to eat this thing?
Pinch it together, Rich. And you just tip it up like this, but leave the back end and
Use the fork initially. I feel like eating it just separately is really good.
I'm gonna have to use the fork to like eat. Jeez.
Initially, at least.
I'm gonna drink the juice. That's how good it is.
This is really good.
Yeah.
That was really good.
You should definitely try it.
Yep, I'm gonna drink the juice.
The juice already. This is too
Whoa. Oh, that is good. Why don't places like this fix their, step up?
Oh my god, that's
The legs
good.
are still on the shrimp.
Alright everyone, that's gonna be it for this half of day 2 in Oahu, Hawaii. Stay tuned for next week's episode when we will take you to Makapu'u Lighthouse Trail.